In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create to-do lists in Basecamp. To-do lists are a great way to organize tasks, assign work, and keep your project moving smoothly. Let's get started. First, sign into your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to create a to-do list. Once you're inside the project, click on the To-Dos section. This is where all your project tasks are managed. Next, click Add a to-do list. Basecamp uses lists to group related tasks together, making it easier to stay organized. Enter a clear name for your list, such as Website Launch Tasks or Marketing Activities, so everyone understands its purpose. Now start adding tasks to the list. Keep each task specific and easy to understand. You can also assign tasks to team members, add due dates, and include extra details when needed. This helps everyone know what they're responsible for and when work needs to be completed. Once you've finished adding your tasks, review the list and click Save. Your new to-do list will now be available for your team to view, update, and complete. And that's how to create a to-do list in Basecamp. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy project managing!